But this afternoon, however, we've had again a tremendous, important visitor to Kericho County, the UK ambassador who has been in the county for 2 months. In his working tour, he has also paid a courtesy call to our office in Kericho, and we have had a very elaborate discussion on how we can work with the UK Kingdom. You remember that Kericho and the UK have had a rich history together, and we've been able to work on different fronts. And while we also agree that there has been 1 or 2 issues, because just like any other nation, the UK has been here for a decade, and the issues that has been there has always been confessed. And today we were here on a different latitude as we look into the future. That yes, we appreciate the history that we have come from, but we're also looking into the future on how we are going to tie Kericho with the UK and place Kericho as a strategic investment for the UK. One of the issues that we have asked the ambassador is that as we work hard to industrialize our county through the county aggregated agro-processing zone we are building at Kapsorok, and also the space that we are expanding our town to 500 acres in Chelimo areas, we have discussed with the ambassador and requested him to be able to link Kericho County with UK investors so that they are able to come and invest in agro-processing, development of cottage industries and other industries that will see the growth of our county. I'm glad that he has gracefully accepted that he will continue to lobby also for other investors to come to Kericho so that we can put Kericho in our roadmap, which includes even the flower farms and the potential of Kericho to host investors in the flower industry. Thirdly, we have also discussed with the ambassador the need of our healthcare and the plan that we have for healthcare. We have placed on his table support in our oncology unit that we are building in Kericho in terms of equipping, and also support in our plan to upgrade at least 1 maternity, 1 health center in every 1 dispensary in every ward to be a health center. We have placed the proposal to him. It is something that we follow up with this office, and hopefully it shall work well for us. Thirdly, we've been able to discuss with the ambassador on the need for scholarship. We are aware that we have a huge population of skilled but unemployed graduates. I'm happy the ambassador has said that they are running at the moment a program on nurses that will see skilled nurses from Africa, and also Kericho as one of the counties get an opportunity to be exposed. We'll work with the details so that in future we'll also see some of our skilled nurses working in the UK, while at the same time also see our graduates work getting scholarship. It tells me that there is a program, a master's program that they are running and BAD program that they are running, and we will work closely with this office so that we can create opportunities for scholarship for master's programs, undergraduates and BAD students in the UK as we move forward. By and large, we have discussed El Nino, our preparations as a county, and the support system that will require on mitigating El Nino effects as we approach there. These are proposals that we have given to him, and we'll be putting it in writing as we move forward. But all in all, I want to also reiterate that we have talked pretty well about the coffee, about the tea industry, and the need to get proper markets for our tea so that the farmer can be able to get the guaranteed minimum returns in our tea industry. We look forward to having a closer relationship with the UK and also placing Kericho as one of those historical counties that have had a working relationship with the UK in the past to even have a closer working relationship moving into the future. Your Excellency Ambassador, you are welcome to Kericho County any other time you are passing by, and we also take this opportunity to welcome you and your country for Mashujaa Day in Kericho, and to welcome also all other Kenyans for this Mashujaa Day. With those few remarks, I would like to invite His Excellency the Ambassador to make his few remarks.
Peaceful and constructive discussion with His Excellency the Governor. I've only been in Kenya for 2 months, so this is one of the first counties that I visited, and that is because of the deep links between Britain and Kericho that the Governor talked about. The historical links, but also the links today. I think every single person in Britain has drunk tea grown in Kericho County, and we value that connection. But as the Governor said, we want to build a better future together, and particularly the economic potential that there is here. So I came here to see how the High Commission, but also how British companies and investors can play a part in that, how we can get people from Kericho to have opportunities to study in the UK, to work in the UK, and to work with British companies. So I look forward to more meetings and to discussing this further. Thank you very much indeed, Your Excellency.
Thank you so much.